Okay, I just started this video. Hi people watching. This is an AI image generator. You can do some funny stuff with it. So I'll just make some stuff on here. I was doing this with a different UI thing earlier. I just decided first I would generate Among Us in trendy clothing. That is the input text I put in here. So it should generate an image of an Among Us character in trendy clothing, and just take a guess of what it generated. I'm sure you weren't expecting this, because apparently this is what it thinks Among Us looks like. I don't think Among Us was in its training data set, so it just got a character in some kind of clothing stitching or something. I think he's kind of cute. I might draw him later or something if I have time. I laughed so hard because this was so unexpected. That was my first thing I ever generated. I got other stuff like this gaming mattress. This is what happens when you don't have an input word. It just gives you the mechanism. This is what absolutely nothing looks like. After that, I got a new UI thing that worked a bit better. I could do higher resolution images and stuff. I just tried generating a super gaming mansion. This was first. I got some other results. This does not look like what I expected, but it actually looks kind of cool. Same with this. This was not right. A lot of these don't make sense, but they still have a cool idea that would work for concept, starting an idea for art and stuff. This one ended up pretty good. I specifically made it a Razer gaming mansion. This one also had it made its own weird esports logo. This one's probably my favorite though. I like all the accent colors. I like the gamer gray color. This one might be the most interesting because even though it doesn't make sense, it has gaming concept art inside of the mansion, which I actually like the style of. And then I also found you can make images turn into other images. I made this image of my VR chat avatar that I usually use into this image, which is just a plushy version, and this was my third try. I'm surprised it actually worked out that well. The other tries was okay, but it wasn't as good. Try guessing what these images are, or maybe even this one. But I'll try some new ones. Maybe I'll try generating more fursuit photos, because I tried that and I got really mixed results last time. You might not be ready to see this. This is my first result, which yes, this is very cute, but not what I was expecting. But then it's weird because the second time I got the best result. I got this cute bear guy. That's actually a cool design. I don't know what's up with his hand, but whatever. This guy's cropped off. This guy kinda has a weird mouth, but it's mostly cool. This one actually looks pretty realistic, except for these skinwalkers in the background. This one's basic, but the picture looks the best, probably. Same with Winnie the Pooh here. Yeah, I'll try more of that. So these are the sliders that determine the settings and stuff. I'll just make it in the middle for the resolution. This makes it higher quality. I usually don't see a difference after 30. This when it's high, it tries to match the text more, and when it's low, it does whatever it wants, kinda. So I guess I will just... Fine. Let's see what happens. Very interesting result. I don't understand why this person's face is made of fingers, or why this person has 3 arms, or why this happens with the grass. I'll just try a few more and see if something reasonable comes out of it. That almost looks something on the faces. That's all I can say. Okay, and maybe I do not know why it always has more than one person in here. I wonder if it has to do with the size. I'm gonna make it this size and see if it constrains it to only one person. I think I heard that when you make it higher resolution, it repeats and stuff. The results are better if you change the aspect ratio or just the size. We got some abstract art on this one. Well, this one's alright. It's actually possible to add trained data to these, so you could actually have something trained on these photos and get better results. I'm adding exclusion words so it knows what I don't want. Some people add 30 exclusion words, and I don't know at that point how that even works. Oh no, I put the word neon colored in it, and now it just turns into RGB. I don't think that's the right word. Whoa, okay, that one's alright. I want more of this. I'm going to like redo this and try making it like better. That's like an otter guy. I should specify better what type, probably. I'm trying to think of a good color combination. How about blue and orange? That guy's funny. He's just chilling and vibing. I think I get better results specifying the colors. I think just the more words I add, the better it gets. What? Never mind then. How do I cancel actual dogs out? Caterpillar dog? I'm gonna change the colors though. What if I don't specify the color? Just color combination. I feel like when I specify the animal, it just turns it into that. This is the last one before I give up on this. This one's good too. Whatever. It's alright. Okay, now, going off of my last theme. Okay, I don't see the gaming. That kind of goes hard. This doesn't even make sense to like half of the people watching. Yeah, never mind. This is just a lot of regular houses. Does it understand this better? I don't have a reaction for this. That's a little bit uncanny. Wait, this is the same as before. Why does it think Mr. Incredible looks like this? Ooh, that's uncanny. I have an idea. This is where I use the other feature and input an image and something will come out. I will input Mr. Incredible. That's really uncanny. This is a slider that changes like how alike the image is. Whoa, okay, I got a black and white image that might work better. Mr. Incredible becomes old. Mr. Incredible becomes confused. Mr. Incredible becomes young. Mr. Incredible becomes sad. I just removed any mention of Mr. Incredible. I'm gonna see what happens. That's uncanny. I should stop calling things uncanny. That's not funny. Ooh. I like this one. This one's so awkward. I can't tell what he's feeling. He's almost looks like Mr. Incredible, but not. You don't know where he's at. This is the uncanniest image of them all. That one kind of looks like one of the other characters, maybe. That's not Mr. Incredible. Why are you looking at me like that, Mr. Incredible? I need to figure out something else. I'm just gonna type. I mean, yeah, I guess. That's a lot more than nothing. Yeah, it's just gonna keep putting words of nothing. I'm gonna keep putting vague things in and see what happens. Hey, that's an object. It did give the most generic object ever, like a non-functional face thing. These are the most generic objects ever, which is what I expected. Yep, that's a thing. It probably does something. What's this most generic animal? There's a few things there. Put in the word creature. This is a creature. I'm interested in what else it has. This guy's funny. I just remembered something. People who watch Germa streams will get this. Just ignore it. This is always funny when it happens. I do stuff for 20 minutes and I forget to record. So I started with dark red wavy fluid, and then I got this. I just got hair advertisements. I guess that's what wavy does. It only associates it with hair. But then I just took that out and I got unusually pretty stuff. Like, this isn't scary like the meme. This is just red waves. I did not mean for this. This does not look good. But then it's just a candle. Actually, I put in the description of Peeping the Horror, or the image, and just gives circles. Not very scary. The next thing I just tried was searching a color that doesn't exist. These colors do exist. I kind of like this one because it has the colors blend weird with everything and it's super bright. That's kind of weird, like not normal, This is just if colors did not exist at all, or maybe it's showing a color that does exist that's just not coming through my monitor. This is a photo 100 years in the future. It makes sense because people would be old. It also came out with Orir Fawn Filtar and Fur Fleur Fuv Fab Slar the Fur Farfur. I wanted to do another character. I did realistic Shrek. This was alright. I got some sort of realistic things. This one makes me feel things. Like, this could be in a live action adaptation. Same with this. He's in his swamp in this one. Then I decided to do Super Mario in real life, like the meme. This one was hard for some reason. It was never like right in the middle between just being Mario or being just a normal person. This is the closest I got. Also, maybe we don't want Super Mario in real life because that's kind of scary. This one's just a YouTube thumbnail. And then this person would definitely be a TikTok person. Whatever, that's everything I got. I didn't have any other ideas. I need to keep track of my recordings better so I don't like get half of a video taken out. Whatever, it's less to edit so it doesn't really matter that much. It might be a good thing. Stuff. Oh yeah, you can get it here. It's easy to install, at least I think so. It was weird the first time, but then it was fine later. It's this one. It's on itch.io. Yeah, that's it.